Great day to everyone. On behalf of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited, we are very proud to share one more Memorandum of Understanding with Engineering Institution. Yes, we are furthermore collaborated with one more Department of Biomedical Engineering, that is the college located at TRICHY, MAM School of Engineering. We are very proud and it is our privilege to sign the Memorandum of Understanding for the training and the placements. Followed by the Memorandum of Understanding, we have a time to share some of the few things to the students regarding to explore the boundaries of biomedical engineering. Students are very enthusiastic. At the same time, they are keenly watching the words of what the biomedical engineering field is. The expectations, clearance and the satisfaction, what else we are supposed to give is perfectly done. Then furthermore, the head of the institution and the head of the department cleared some of the few things about biomedical engineering, and we are very need in the sense of helping the students of MAM School of Engineering. Thank you very much, and this particular collaboration continues furthermore. Thanks a lot.